clean as hell in the inside. What's up, everybody? If it's your first time tuning in to the channel, before we get started, you know how I do this. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get all the vlogs that I post. Now today, I am out looking for me a nice foreign car. I am going to go test drive a Mercedes. They are waiting on me. But right now, I'm at Audi because if you didn't know, I like Volkswagen and Audi. I have a Touareg, so they no longer make the Touareg. I went to the Volkswagen place to try to buy a brand new Touareg like 3-4 days ago, and they no longer make them. So I'm gonna keep my Touareg, I'm gonna fix it up, and then keep it as a classic because they no longer make the car no more. So I have me a car they no longer make. But the Touareg is a nice car. It looks like a Porsche, but it's not a Porsche. It's a Volkswagen Touareg, and the price for those cars will run you between $50,000 to $70,000. I got a good deal on the car when I bought the car, and I still have it. I haven't drove it in about 1.5 years, maybe 2 years. So now I'm just going to redo the whole car, put new rims on it. I'm gonna wrap the car. I'm gonna do the whole interior inside the car, and I'm gonna put that car back on the road. But right now, today, I'm going to find me a brand new car right now. So let's go. It's 2022. It's beautiful. That one's there nice as well too. I'm gonna go see what they got out here on their lot. That baby there is big right here. I mean, this car is big, it's huge. Look at it. It's bigger than that little small one I was looking at. Staying away from BMWs. I had one years ago. They give problems. It's between the Range Rover and the Mercedes. Now, one thing about the Mercedes is the Mercedes lasts long. It's a good car and it lasts long, and the maintenance ain't that high as it is on a BMW. So that's why I'm not buying a BMW. That is not happening. Stay away from them BMWs unless you're gonna buy them, keep them a few years, sell them. Take care of them though if you're gonna sell them, because if you take care of them, right now how the market is on vehicles, you're gonna make some money off the car when you get ready to get rid of the car. So make sure you take care of the car when you buy it. Keep it maintenance, keep the oil changes, keep the tires rotated, and you'll be okay. I looked at that Porsche over there, but they want too much for that Porsche. That Porsche is like a 2018 or something like that, and they want like $70,000 for it. They can keep it. I'm just gonna keep looking, and I am going to go and test drive this Mercedes-Benz. Now, yesterday we went out, we drove around, we went to some car lots. It was cold as hell too, so today got on me a nice sweater, and I'm about to go to Porsche, Volkswagen, CarMax, Mercedes-Benz, and see what they have right now. So let's go find a car. It's day 2. I'm out looking for me a vehicle. Right now I'm at Mercedes, and we're about to check out these Benzes, and also they have a Porsche and a lot of more nice cars I like. So right now, let's see, can we find something here, because we done been to a lot of different dealerships and I'm not finding the car that I want. And I do not want to stick to just, okay, I'm gonna just get this car just because I want a new car. No, I am buying what I want. This is 45 2020. Yeah, it looks clean as hell on the inside. I think I have found a car I like. I looked at several cars. I looked at the Porsches, I looked at Audi, I looked at BMWs, I looked at Mercedes-Benzes, because those are one of the cars that I am going to buy. I do not want anything else right now. Maybe the next 6 months to a year I'll buy a sports car, but right now I just want something nice, luxury, pretty, something that's going to last. Now BMWs, they're high maintenance after a while. They're more high maintenance than a Mercedes. I don't know why. Ask BMW why. Their parts are so expensive to fix on their cars. Now right now, even with me redoing my Torque, I'm about to start doing, buying parts, I'm buying stuff for it now, and it's not that expensive compared to a Porsche. Now y'all gotta look at my Torque and the Porsche has the same parts. So if I can afford to drive a Torque and fix anything on it, I definitely can afford to drive a Porsche and fix anything on it. But out of all the cars that I done checked out today, I am going to buy one in the next few days, and I'm going to show you guys what I bought. So even y'all looking at the video, if y'all see a car that you like in this vlog, y'all show me what you like, and I may pick what you like. Oh, we may have the same taste, so I would like to hear from you guys on what car do you like that I seen in this vlog. But again, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can keep up with all the vlogs that I post. Until the next vlog, guess what? I'll see you wonderful people later. Bye bye. Damn, I can be a singer.